Charan! Maraming relief from salamat sa nagbigay. Thank you so much. At yowa, ni sukuro ka na. Hamburger sukuro ka. Tama na yung bigay de. Orezaimasu. These are all organic garlic, onions, jagaine, yamaimo. Hello, lovelies, family and friends. I hope you're all okay and safe. Since we were babies, until this moment, we have been eating homemade, from mother's milk, homemade baby foods to our favorite ulam. I remember when I was young, it was a nice feeling going home and ask, Mother, ano ulam? Pag di ko gusto, tahimik lang ako. Pero pag gusto ko yung ulam, I couldn't wait to eat it. And now, as a mother living in a foreign country and having a family of my own, I have learned how to cook and serve homemade my family. The tradition passed on to me. At first, I really don't know how to cook. So I made cooking lessons here in Tokyo. And from then, I learned some of Japanese dishes. I'm glad that we have YouTube now, where we can watch and search variety of cooking videos, and you can learn and try it at home. So useful. It's not so easy to prepare all your meals at home due to the hustle and bustle of everyday life. I know many of you, including me, would love to cook at home, but sometimes the time just isn't there. Minsan nag-e-effort ka na nga, nagre-reklamo pa sa lasa. Jesus. Cooking homemade is something that holds great importance to me, and something I am willing to make the extra effort for. It is a kind of affection, love, that I'm giving and sharing to my family. But of course, this video is not to encourage you to cook at homemade. We have our own idea and way how we serve foods to our loved ones or ourselves. Maybe that's all for today's video, and we will have the second episode of this homemade video. Thank you for watching. Take care.
Now you come here na.